What is the Android operating system? The Android operating system is an open source Linux based operating system developed by Google for smartphones, tablets, smart TV, and wearable devices. What is Android architecture? Android architecture is a layered structure of Android. It consists of Linux kernel, native libraries, Android runtime, application framework, applications. What is Linux kernel? Linux kernel is the core of Android operating system. It manages memory, device, drivers, security, power management, and hardware communication. What is Android runtime? Android Runtime (ART) executes Android applications. It improves app performance, memory management, and battery efficiency. What is an emulator? Android emulator is a software that stimulates an Android device on a computer for testing applications without using physical phone. What is ADB? ADB Android Debug Bridge is a command line tool that allows developers to install apps, debug devices, copy files, and communicate with Android devices. What is Gradle? A Gradle is Android built automation tools used to compile code, manage libraries, and create APK files. What is XML? XML Extensible Markup Language is used in Android to design user interfaces and define layouts. What is an API? An API, application programming interface, is a set of rules that allows applications to communicate with other software or web services. What is REST API? The REST API is a web service that uses HTTP methods such as get, post, put, and delete to exchange data between applications and servers. What is JSON? JSON, a script object oriented object notation, is a lightweight data format used to send and receive data between Android applications and servers. 57. What is the XML parsing? XML parsing is the process of reading and extracting data from XML documents. What is shared preferences? Shared preferences is an Android feature used to store small amounts of data as key value pairs, such as login status and app setting. What is internal storage? Internal storage stores application files inside the device memory. These files are private and cannot be accessed by other applications. What is external storage? External storage stores files in shared storage such as SD card or shared device memory, allowing other apps to access them with permission. What is a Firebase? A Firebase is Google's cloud platform that provides services such as authentication, database, storage, analytics, and push notification. What is push notification? A push notification is a message sent from a server to a mobile device even when the application is not open. What is GPS? GPS, Global Positioning System, is a satellite based navigation system used to determine a device's location. What is Bluetooth? A Bluetooth is a wireless communication technology used to transfer data between nearby devices. What is Wi Fi? A Wi Fi is a wireless networking technology that connects devices to internet without cables. What is NFC? NFC, or near field communication, is a short range wireless technology used for contactless payments and data sharing. What is a sensor? A sensor is a hardware component that detects physical change such as motion, light, temperature, or orientation. Example: accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, light sensor. What is multi-threading? Multi-threading is the ability to execute multiple tasks simultaneously within a program, improving performance and responsiveness. What is garbage collection in Java? Garbage collection is the automatic process of removing unused objects from memory to free resources. What is JVM? JVM, Java Virtual Machine, executes Java bytecode and enables Java programs to run on different platforms. What is JDK? JDK, Java Development Kit, is a software package containing the compiler, JVM libraries, and tools required to develop Java applications. What is JRE? JRE, Java Runtime Environment, provides the environment needed to run Java applications. It includes JVM and Java libraries. What is package in Java? A package is a collection of related classes and interfaces used to organize Java programs and avoid naming conflicts. What is a constructor? A constructor is a special method that initializes an object. It has the same name as the class and no return type. What is method overloading? Method overloading means defining multiple methods with the same name but different parameters lists in the same class. What is method overriding? Method overriding allows a subclass to provide its own implementation of a method already defined in its superclass. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is the ability of one method or object to take many forms, improving flexibility and code reuse. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the process of wrapping data and methods into a single class while restricting direct access to the data. What is abstraction? Abstraction is the process of hiding implementation details and showing only the essential feature of an object. What is OOP? Object oriented programming is the programming approach based on objects and classes. Its four main principles are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction.